Good evening all. I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Coming to Nifty chart, today Nifty has opened flat. We can see a downfall. It has taken a previous support and we can see some bullish in Nifty, and it has taken resistance, a day high, and after that we can see again sell off and it closed negative, a day low. Coming to Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty we can see it has opened flat. We can see some sell off in the morning. It has taken a support previously here, and after that we can see Bank Nifty was volatility and it was trading in a range bound today. Coming to Bank Nifty chart, today Bank Nifty opened flat and we can see immediately a sell off. Previously here it has taken a support and we can see upside movement, and whole day we can see a volatility in Bank Nifty, and it was also in a traded in this range bound and closed in negative. Coming to Fin Nifty opened flat today and immediate we can see sell off. After that we can see some upside movement in Fin Nifty, and it was traded in the second half. You can see it was traded in a range bound, and after that we can see it is closed in today's low. Coming to next trading session, in a Nifty chart daily time frame we can see a channel formation, and for today we can see channel breakout, and for next week also we can expect bearishness in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty in a daily time frame, we can see Bank Nifty is trading in a zone. For next it has to break either side for trend confirmation. Again coming to Fin Nifty, Fin Nifty in a daily time frame we can see Fin Nifty is also trading in this zone. Again for Fin Nifty it has to break either side for trend confirmation. Coming to stocks, we have Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab we can see it has taken a trend reversal here, and for next trading session Divi's Lab has to break this today's low. We can still next support for Divi's level will be this level. In Divi's Lab we can see a bearishness, hence we can take bearish strategies in Divi's Lab. We have one more stock, Titan. Titan we can see here it was traded in consolidation zone. Today it has break this level, and for next trading session it has to break today's low. We can expect further fall till here, and we can trade bearish strategies in Titan. Thank you all. See you on Monday.